Hey friends, it's Sonia from Junk Monkey Paint Company, and I'm going to show you how I jazz up my brownie frowny, super tired computer bag that I've had kicking around for a few years. And it's even got some paint. Do you see it on the corner? Yes, because it's lived with me that long. So today I'm pulling out just some of my fun favorite colors of Junk Monkey Chalky style paint with my stencils, of course, and starting a layering process to give myself just a really cool look on my bag. So you may have seen me do this look on my journal, which will go into my bag here. They'll be like a matching set, right? So now I'm just picking the colors. I'm using some chevron right here. You can see like I've got polka dots in the background. I've got some florals, all kinds of just like a mishmash of different stencils. So basically, you just pick a color that you want and you just keep building all these broken layers. They look, I swear, they just kind of look like this like shabby, boho, broken tile kind of look. Now I'm putting on some Lucky Clover there. So you can make your bag or a piece of fabric feel however you want to, make it feel at the end of the day, whatever your style is. So you can see I'm just going straight on with my paint. For this, I am not watering down my paint. A lot of times when you see me paint fabric, like if it's in terms of furniture, you see me do a process where I water my paint and build it up like a stain on the fabric. But in this case, it's a computer bag, okay? We're not gonna be sitting on it. Yes, I want my bag to be like stiffer, and the bag is stiff, you know what I'm saying? So it's not like a really soft fabric. So it's perfect for painting. And how will I seal it when I'm all done at the end of the day? I'm gonna go grab some Scotch Guard, take it outside, of course, and give it a nice spray all over. It'll actually make these colors even pop a little bit more. I cannot positively wait to see what you jazz up.